All right, we're here outside Neiman Marcus at Northbrook Court. This is a entrance elevator that just gets you up this flight of steps. Don't know what kind it is. It's got atoms though. Oh, it's got a side door. That's weird. Keeps chiming.
Got it.
Automatic elevator.
Oh, it goes that way. Interesting.
Yeah. Quickest elevator ride I've ever seen.
Ooh, and there's like a nice little
hallway over there. Nice, we'll check it out as soon as we get back up. We'll end up on the upper level. The mall escalators are broken, so we have to go downstairs in Neiman Marcus. Why does it keep chiming? Watch the lock go out. Adams buttons, 2,500 pound capacity. There's your phone. Yeah, nice fancy little hallway over here.
Okay. Yeah, I like this hallway.